Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Samsung has almost perfected the foldable phone, and 2023's Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to be even better than the current models. We're not expecting to see this phone until quite late in 2023, so there aren't many rumors about it just yet, but we have heard a few things, along with information on the possible release date and price. Plus, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, to ensure it fixes all the issues with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, there's only been one real Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 leak so far, and this points to the phone having a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. That would be the successor to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipsets that power many of 2022's Android flagships, including the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So either the Gen 2 or a Plus version of it always seemed likely. The same source also suggests the phone will have a triple-lens rear camera with a 50MP main sensor. That's exactly what the Galaxy Z Fold 4 has, with the other two sensors being a 12MP ultra-wide and a 10MP telephoto, so this might mean there aren't many upgrades to the camera, though of course this far out we'd take all of this with a pinch of salt. The cameras on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 aren't bad at all, but they aren't Samsung's best. Despite it being the company's most expensive phone, anyone who can spare the sort of money the Z Fold 4 costs is likely to want the best of the best, and on the camera front it just doesn't manage that. So for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 we want the phone to match the camera configuration of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which based on past form probably will have the company's best snappers. As impressive as Samsung's foldable screens are, the company hasn't cracked the crease, with it being visible and something you can feel when you swipe across the display. This isn't a big deal and is something most people will quickly get used to, but it is an imperfection in an otherwise excellent screen, so we'd like to see Samsung successfully hide it on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The single biggest issue with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is simply how much it costs, as this is one of the most expensive phones on the planet, almost making the iPhone 14 Pro Max look cheap by comparison. It's no surprise the price is high given the size of the screen and the tech involved, but if this foldable line is ever to be truly mainstream then the price needs to drop, and we hope Samsung starts decreasing it with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Along with faster charging, we'd also like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 to have a bigger battery. At 4,400 mAh, the one in the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is average in size at best, and actually smaller than the batteries in plenty of conventional phones. Well, that is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.